Hi, this is Lisa with Red Lantern Glass. Thanks for checking out my video. I have a quick project idea that I wanted to share with you, making fused glass panels with tree designs using Marini and black stringer. I found wooden LED bases on Amazon and thought they would make a nice stand for the glass panels. I took a piece of paper to measure out the width of the stand. It turned out that the width was 6 inches wide, and I went with a 5-inch tall piece of glass. You can keep the top of the glass square or curve it to give it a different look. I then measured the depth of the notch in the stand, also using that piece of paper. This gave me a visual to work with that I found very helpful. You can see that I used painter's tape to mask the space on the bottom of the glass. That's where the glass will sit in the stand. I know that that space is too narrow to allow for any other glass frit in that area, so masking it helps prevent any of the glass from spilling over. I designed the trees for this project in 4 seasons, and I also made another design with spring pink floral and autumn color. Once the trees were assembled, I added similar colors along the bottom to provide a reflection using fine, medium, and coarse frit sizes. And here you can see that I'm removing the painter's tape very gently and leaving that clean edge where the glass will fit into that notch on the stand. At the same time that I was making the tree panels, I also made sun catchers, which you'll see at the end of the video. The sun catcher glass was leftover ends from cutting the panels. I'll use my Dremel tool to drill the holes and make hangers. Sometimes a bail will work as well, but in this case you would be able to see the bail through the glass, and I don't want that to show through. So here are some images of the pieces in the kiln before they're being fired, and then final pieces with the LED stand lit. I hope you enjoy this project idea, and I look forward to seeing your creations. Thanks for watching.